Ooh, 87%. Good morning again, everybody. Welcome back to the KSR YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a little time in on SoccerMom. You guys haven't seen her in a while. We got outran at a few races, decided we needed a new turbo. So we're gonna put our new turbo on today. It's actually already mounted. Will and Kimber have been working on it over at Will's shop at his house, but I need to do some of the final fitment and welding on the intercooler pipe and the other stuff, intercooler pipe and the downpipe, and then we're gonna work into, here's one of the neighbors. Are they coming in here? Yeah, they are. So we're gonna work to get the charge pipe connected to the intercooler and the downpipe reconnected, as well as the mounting flange, and then see if this thing will fire up, and then probably wrap up the video putting it up on the two-step. Oh, that sounds like Grant. So Grant just pulled in with his pretty wicked little road course rallycross Subaru that he drives on the street. So we're gonna get to work on this. All right, well, you guys saw we got the downpipe pretty much finished up, all welded. Had to add that little sliver for the new flange for the new turbo. I've got the charge pipe connection almost done. Will and Kimber are working on hooking up the oil feed somewhere down in there. Yep. We reclocked our little electric turbo water pump. Same water pump that we're using on Mullet. But we had to weld the flange in here. So yeah, weld that flange in there. You can see where we had scalloped this for the other turbo. That's kind of our little stand. The drain, this is a solid tube here that turns off and the drain goes away. But we may have enough time to dyno this thing tonight. What you guys think? Dyno? Dyno? Dyno! I mean, that went pretty fast. If that pipe fits like right now and all I got to do is weld it and it cranks.
I'm here to about 9-ish.
Well, it's only 7:30 now.
Right, let's hurry it.
Let's go. All right, back to work. Well, all right. Everything is put back together. This thing hasn't ran in 3 months, 4 months? Actually, since the Christmas tree race, right?
Yeah. That's scary.
Yeah, we ran it at the Christmas tree race, brought it back, pulled the turbo off of it, sold the turbo, and then it's been sitting, waiting for the new turbo. So I'm gonna actually do a cold start log on this thing because I haven't in forever. I don't know. Has it got fuel? Yeah. May have to turn the power switch on too.
You want to disconnect the battery charger?
Yeah, probably would be a good idea.
Let's see what's in old SoccerMom.
Probably about a quarter of a tank. Is that enough for it?
I would put some more in it so it primes easier.
It needs more. What's getting painted?
The trim.
Oh.
All right, well, let's see what this thing does after all these months. Fire in the hole. Oh, close. Alright, so what I did right there was blew the tires because this thing has a tendency to spin the tires on the dyno. My dyno's old. The knurling is kind of worn off the rollers, so anything with some pretty serious power can kind of spin. I mean, this thing, you know, it makes a good 400 or 500. It's 5.3 with a turbo. 400 or 500 is what we're shooting for today. So we're gonna get started and see what we can do. All right, well, here goes nothing. More dome pressure, a little more boost. This pass here ought to be a little more spicy. So it's 15 pounds of dome pressure, 21 pounds of boost, 21 pounds of back pressure. All right, so the last run of the night, we're just gonna put it up on the two-step and see how it spools with this new turbo on there. All right, everybody, well, that wraps up this video with SoccerMom. We really didn't plan to get it on the dyno tonight, but the fabrication went perfect. Like, we found the pieces that we need first attempt, which, to be honest, it doesn't happen every time. Sometimes you have to go back and remake things a time or two to trying to get these tight fitting spaces, but you can see how it's all, everything turned out there. Nice and tight, solid V-band on each end. The exhaust turned out pretty nice right there. But she's making more power than she used to on 25 pounds. I mean, it's a solid 500. Solid 500. Anyways, we appreciate everybody watching. We do have SoccerMom shirts. If you like SoccerMom, a lot of you guys picked them up at Cletus and Cars. All right, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.